Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how I've been styling my medium length hair, and this is what I've been doing with it lately, so let's go ahead and get started. Lately I've been using products from Amino Mason, and look how awesome the packaging is. This looks something straight out of Pinterest. I've been using the whipped cream shampoo and also the whipped cream treatment. Both of these products are very hydrating, and they're also from the Moist series. And just a side note, they smell incredible. I love these products. And a cool fact about Amino Mason is all of their products are made with premium ingredients of 18 types of amino acids, botanical oils, and extracts like avocado oil, manuka honey, argan oil, raw collagen, silk, and more to repair, restore, and reinforce and protect your hair. And after rinsing and conditioning my hair, I went and used the buttermilk mask pack, and I just let that sit on my hair for a couple minutes in the shower and then rinsed it out. And I usually like to let my hair just kind of towel dry for about an hour before I actually go in and blow dry it. But in the meantime, I like to use a couple products while my hair is still just damp and undone. So to get the style started, I grabbed the hair oil, and this is great because it repairs cuticles and protects the hair from dryness. It's also a lightweight oil that absorbs well into the hair to prevent frizz. And I really like this product because it's not sticky or really oily, it's just a nice light oil. I also combined the hair oil with the amino acid hair water, and this is a hair mist that is infused with amino acids to hydrate, defrizz, and make styling easier. And again, all of these products smell amazing, and I just love cocktailing products together. And I actually got a refill of the milk cream treatment, which is the conditioner, and this is an eco and wallet friendly option. So I wouldn't have to buy the full-size product again. This one is $19 opposed to the $25 full-sized product, and it's environmentally friendly. All of their products are safe to use on color-treated hair or chemically treated hair as well. So after I've rinsed my hair and used my styling products, I like to just give my hair a quick blow dry. And after I've blow dried my hair, sometimes I'll just leave it like this, but sometimes I like to just style my hair a little bit more. So what I like to do is just separate my hair in a few sections, and I like to straighten the bottom layers of my hair first, and then add some waves to the top layers of my hair. So I'm just gonna brush out my hair and add a few sections and grab my flat iron. And I'm focusing more on the ends of my hair because I just wanna get those bits unwavy. And when I get to those top layers, that's where I wanna add a wave. And I like to keep my waves away from my face, so that's how I like to do it. You could also make each wave go a different direction, but I like to have my uniform waves, I guess, but also keep them fairly loose so it doesn't look too styled. And this has kind of been my go-to style. I just think it's simple, and it can also last into the next day, which is awesome. And when I get to my bangs, this is where I've kind of been growing them out. So I've been pushing them off of my face, but I've also been just creating like a slight bend in them so that they can still be bangs and I can wear them fully. And once I'm done styling my hair, I like to grab the hair oil again just as a finishing styling product. I've also noticed adding the hair oil at the end leaves a little bit more shine to your hair, and it just looks so healthy and bouncy and full. So I love using these products. You guys should definitely check them out. I'll put a link down below in the description bar so you can look at their website and check out their products. But this is what my hair looks like now, and this has kind of been my go-to style. So I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, bye.